What's up, guys? Ryan with CounterFit Chefs. Today we made some croquettes, Thanksgiving style. So today for our croquettes, you're going to start by peeling the potatoes, chopping them up. Small dice is fine. Getting them in some water and on the heat. Once your potatoes are pork tender, drain them and mash them. We used a ricer. While your potatoes are boiling, you want to heat up your pan. Get your onions going. Cook them till a little tender. Then add your turkey. And then when that's 95% finished, add your peas and corn. Add that to your potato mixture. Crack in 1 egg. Season. Mix it all up. And then scoop out balls. Roll in panko. Once you have your croquettes coated in panko, get your oil going and fry till golden brown. So for your gravy, you're going to want to make a roux. Melt your butter. Add your flour. Cook that for a little bit to a nice blonde color. You can go a little darker if you like. Then you're going to add your turkey stock. Once that's thick, pull it off the heat. Now that you've cooked everything, you can put your croquettes on the plate, drizzle a little gravy on top, and garnish with some scallions. Alright, let's eat. I like that. Nice crispy exterior, soft interior. It's good. Sauce on top, ties it all together. It's Thanksgiving in a bite. Alright guys, that was our Thanksgiving croquettes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. What are you guys making for Thanksgiving? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.